In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pin website on Google Chrome tutorial. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and ready to use. If Chrome is not already on your screen, you can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, dock, or applications menu depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, go to the website that you want to pin. You can do this by typing the website address into the address bar at the top and pressing enter, or by opening a site you already have saved in your bookmarks. Wait for the page to load completely so you can clearly see the tab at the top of the browser window. After the website is open, move your cursor to the tab at the top of the screen. This is the tab for the site you want to keep pinned. Right-click on that tab to open the tab menu. In the menu that appears, select Pin. As soon as you click Pin, the tab will shrink and move to the left side of the tab bar. In most cases, the tab will only show the site icon instead of the full page title. That is normal, and it is how pinned tabs are designed to look in Chrome. Pinned tabs are helpful because they stay in place even as you open other tabs. This makes frequently used websites easier to access. That covers everything you need to know.